Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these Angie's Boom Chicka Pop. And it's, if you look here, salted maple flavor. So this was on sale. Kettle corn, but if you look here, gluten-free. Here's the back, if you guys want to read it, pause the video. There we go. And let's open it up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It has it does have a nice maple aroma, so let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so I have it in my hand. If you guys want to get a good look at it, there we go. Yeah, so it's actually not bad. It has a nice subtle sweet taste. I don't really taste the salt too much. And it has a nice maple aroma to it. Definitely check it out, guys. Questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.